But it is so intense. We are passing through a period which is so intense, and the progress is so fast. And it makes you realize that there is no other, that no one else is doing anything to you. And when something is there and you feel that this is unfair, or this, why this and that, and the moment you ask Mother why this certain circumstances come, and then you make the progress within yourself, immediately the things which are outside, they fizzle out. They make you realize that actually there is her hand behind everything, that nothing is by chance, and that this was exactly what was required for your progress at every moment. Auroville has given me myself. Auroville, constantly, it has given me myself. At the same time, it has made me realize that I'm nothing and nobody. That this is really a phase where something else has to pass through. There's something else has to, that in myself, I am so mediocre. My mental being, my every, so small. It's only in the moments that I realize that I am nothing and nobody, and that something else is passing through, and I open myself to receive the answer, to receive. At that time, something happens. And that time I realized that I am all and I am nothing. Nothing worries me. Nothing worries me because she's there. Mother and Sri Aurobindo, they are in the subtle, they are in my subtle body. They're just around me, they're just there. So what is there to worry about? To me, I mean, what it has taught me is that we are born with a certain burden, whether it can be anything. It can be stealing, it can be telling lies, it can be feeling superior, or it can be taking advantage of other people to this, whatever might be the shortcoming of a person. We are born with a certain burden. All of us, we are born with a certain burden, and that much strength is given to us to surrender them and transform them. It's not to be ashamed of what burden you have been born with. It is to recognize your shortcomings, whatever burden that is, and put it at the feet of the Mother and ask her to transform it. Because we ourselves are not capable of transforming them. It's only Mother and Sri Aurobindo who can transform. So for me, it is journey of consciousness is that we are born with certain things, with certain burdens, with certain things to do in life, and not to be ashamed of, not to hide them, it is much better to expose them and put them at the feet of the Mother, and whatever is there is between you and the Supreme. It doesn't concern anybody what you are not, whether you are progressing, you are not progressing, what you have done in your past, what you have done in your future, are you on the line? It concerns nobody but yourself and the Divine. And that's what Auroville has taught me. I think the changes force is only love. There's nothing that is more powerful than love. And it's not to feel that I have the answer, that the others are wrong. It is to learn together, and that only to feel that the other person might be looking at the truth from the other point of view. And it's only when we look in the same direction and we look in everybody in the same love, knowing that there's no other, that you are seeing yourself in the other people, and if you are reacting to yourself, that what you are seeing is what is there in yourself. Otherwise, you cannot see. It's only what you have in yourself that, like a mirror, you see it in another person. So when you know that, then there can be nothing, there can be no place for any other sentiment and love. And in love, everything can change. The dream of the mother. It's the dream of the mother, why she has created Auroville, why she has put so much of force in matrimony, how India has to play its role vis-a-vis to the world and the universe. I would like them to be the true children of the mother. The truth, we are her children, and that's what I want. All simple, all transparent, open, happy, radiant. That's what I would like our future generation to be. No, not at all. Because nothing is in our hands. She is doing all. She is doing all, and she is guiding us. She is taking us where she wants to take us. And when somebody has to change or realize, she will make it. She will make us change and realize we are missing nothing.